Wait, hold up, my awesome friends. Before you even think about scrolling away, take a deep breath and just watch this. You see these ultra-realistic, action-packed car crash animations? They look like something pulled straight from a Pixar movie, right? The detail, the motion, the drama, it's all just next level. But here's the wild part. What if I told you that you could make these stunning videos yourself? With zero editing experience, no expensive software, and using 100% free AI tools? Sounds crazy? Well, buckle up, because in today's video, I'm taking you step by step through the exact process, from idea to image, to animation, to final cinematic video, all for free, not a single rupee, dollar, or pound spent. So grab your chai, get comfy, and do not skip. Every part of this tutorial is packed with gold. Step 1. Study what works. The Mirko Beam Drive Crashes Strategy. First things first, we need inspiration. Head over to YouTube and search for Mirko Beam Drive Crashes. This channel is a gold mine. Over 1.4 million subscribers, nearly 200 videos, millions of views per upload, and their thumbnails? Insane. Explosions. Dynamic car crashes, hyper-realistic 3D vehicles. Why is this important? Because before you create, you must study success. Check their thumbnail styles. Observe which titles go viral. Notice how they use dramatic scenes to hook viewers. The best part? You can recreate this type of content using 100% free AI tools. Let's see how. Step 2. Generate prompts with ChatGPT. Now that you've got your concept, it's time to build with AI. ChatGPT is your creative partner. It helps generate ideas, write prompts, and spark creativity. And yes, it's free. Here's what to do. Open ChatGPT. You're already here. Awesome. Go back to the Mirko Beam Drive channel. Take a screenshot of any thumbnail that inspires you. Upload that image into ChatGPT. Type this. I want to create this kind of video. Give me Pixar-style 3D prompts one by one. Hit generate. Boom! ChatGPT will give you 8-10 detailed Pixar-style prompts describing crash scenes with cinematic detail. Save those. We'll use them next. Step 3. Create stunning images with Piclumen. Now let's turn those prompts into beautiful images using an incredible tool called Piclumen. Why Piclumen? Totally free and unlimited. No sign-up, needed HD Pixar-style results. Beginner-friendly steps. Go to www.piclumen.com. Set your aspect ratio to 16. 9, perfect for YouTube Shorts or TikTok. Paste your first prompt. Click Generate and let the AI do its magic. In seconds, you'll have a gorgeous cinematic Pixar-style 3D image. Repeat this process for each prompt. Download every image and get ready. We're about to bring them to life. Step 4. Animate your images with Magi.AI. Alright, now the real magic begins. It's time to transform those still images into moving video scenes. Here's what you do. Visit Magi.AI, sign in with any Gmail. You'll get 500 free credits, plenty to create 15-16 clips. Start a new project. Upload your first image set video duration to around 3-5 seconds. Paste the same prompt used for that image. Click Generate. Magi.AI will take your static image and animate it using your prompt. It may take a few minutes, but the results? Worth it? Magi.AI is a free AI tool that transforms your still images into animated video scenes with just a single prompt. It's like having your own animation studio without needing any editing or design skills. Upload your image, paste your prompt, and in minutes, your scene comes to life. Whether it's a car crash, fantasy world, or cinematic moment, Magi.AI adds realistic movement and flow. You get 500 free credits when you sign in with Gmail, enough to create up to 15-20 animations. The results feel like movie clips, smooth, engaging, and packed with energy. No watermark issues, just zoom in slightly in your editor and you're good to go. It's perfect for creating intros, dramatic shorts, or even full animated stories. Magi.AI is incredibly beginner-friendly. No need for After Effects or expensive software. Combine it with ChatGPT and Piclumen, and you've got a full free pipeline for animated videos. If you're creating content for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Reels, this tool is a total game changer. Magi.AI doesn't just animate images, it unlocks your creativity with every frame. Repeat this for all your images, and just like that, you now have a full series of short animated clips ready to assemble. Step 5. Edit your masterpiece with CapCut, free. Now it's time to polish and finalize your video. We're using CapCut, a free, easy-to-use video editor available for both PC and mobile. Here's your final checklist. Open CapCut Import all animated clips from Magi.spacedrag and arrange them in your desired order. Add smooth transitions between scenes. Optional, add sound effects, background music, and text overlays. If you see any watermark, just zoom in slightly to crop it out, export in HD quality. That's it. You now have a professional-grade cinematic AI video created entirely for free. Final recap, the full process. Let's break down what you just did. Found a winning niche by studying Mirco beam drive crashes. Used ChatGPT to create Pixar-style prompts, generated high-quality images with Piclumen. Animated them using Magi.space, edited the final sequence in CapCut, all using 100% free AI tools. No editing skills needed, no budget required. Want to turn this into income? Start posting your videos, build your channel, go for monetization. Before you go, if this video helped you, please smash that like button, hit subscribe so you never miss another free AI tutorial. And drop a comment if you want a part 2, like how to add voiceovers, viral music, or grow fast. Thanks for watching, and always remember, this is how you turn AI into pure creative power. Now go build something amazing. Boom!